Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I updated my social security information after becoming a US citizen. I'm in Virginia, so your area might be a bit different, but this is exactly what I did. So first, I called my local social security office and asked what they needed. They told me to use Form SS5, which is the application for a social security card. And if you don't have it, they can mail it to you. But you can also grab it online. Go to ssa.gov, type forms in the search bar, and click application for a social security card like SS5. Tap to open the PDF. It has 5 pages, and the part you'll fill out is on page 5. You can also complete it right on your computer. So for my packet, I wrote a short cover letter saying I just became a US citizen and needed to update my record. And I also added my contact info. I included the SS5 form, my original naturalization certificate, my passport book, and my social security card. I've heard some offices only ask for the SS5, the original naturalization certificate, and either a driver's license or a passport card without the social security card. So it really helps to call your local office and confirm. And when everything was ready, I mailed it using USPS priority mail with tracking so I could see when it arrived. So here's my timeline. I mailed it on July 27, 2025. It was delivered on July 30. On August 11, I got my original documents back, my naturalization certificate, passport book, and social security card. Then on August 22, I received my new social security card. The new one shows my first name, full middle name, and last name. My old card only showed my middle initial. And that's how I did it. If you're doing this too, congratulations on becoming a US citizen. Keep copies of everything, use tracking, and be patient while it's processing. Hope this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.